Hi students, now I am going to show the experiment on solution. How I am going to prepare a solution, you can see here. Here I have taken two glasses, one glass contains water and another glass contains sugar. To make a solution, we need two parts, one is a solvent and another is a solute. So water acts as a solvent and sugar here acts as a solute. So when we add sugar into the water, it means solute into the solvent, the sugar getting dissolved into the water. You can find how it's getting dissolved. Sugar is a larger particles and water is a smaller particles. When the larger particles get into the smaller particles, it fills the gap by dissolving. Fine. So what the solution we got it here? The solution is called sugar solution. So when we add sugar into the water, we are getting a sugar solution. Here sugar acts as a solute and water acts as a solvent. What is meant by solute? Solute means is a substance which get dissolved. And water, what is meant by solvent? Solvent is a substance which helps a solute to dissolve. Understand students? So here we made a solution that is called sugar solution. Now I am going to show one more experiment by using the salt. I have taken here salt in one glass and water in another glass. So here salt is a solute and water is a solvent. I am going to add here 1 tablespoon of solute, which means salt, into the solvent water. You see how the salt particles are getting dissolved into the water. It's filling the gap. So here we are going to get a salt solution. So the solution which we made is called salt solution. I repeat, here salt acts as a solute and water acts as a solvent. When a solute is getting dissolved into the solvent, we get a solution. Here we got a salt solution. Clear students? Thank you. Hi students, now I am going to show the experiment on saturated solution. Here I have taken 2 glasses. One glass contains water, another glass contains sugar. Here water acts as a solvent and sugar acts as a solute. What is meant by saturated solution? When we add more amount of solute into the water, the dissolving time takes longer and the sugar get deposited at the bottom of the glass. So now I am going to show the experiment. I am taking 1 tablespoon of sugar and adding into the water. You can see how it's getting dissolved. I am taking another tablespoon of sugar and adding into the water. And furthermore, when I am adding a large quantity of solute, the dissolving process is getting slower. And furthermore, fine. I'll stop with this. You can find over here the sugar is deposited at the bottom of the glass. So the dissolving process is getting slower because we are adding more amount of solute. This is called as saturated solution. So here sugar acts as a solute and water is a solvent. When we add more amount of solute into the solvent, the solute get deposited at the bottom of the glass. Here the saturated solution is formed. Clear student?